Hi, my name is Jason Means. I'm one of the creators of Dead Wax. Most of us collectors out there know that we're really not collecting albums, we're collecting pressings. I've bought many of the same albums more than once. I've bought 4, 5, 7, 8, 12 copies of the same album, all different pressings, in search for the best pressing. Different mastering engineers, different countries of origin, different stampers, same album, completely different record, and completely different sound. There's a lot of research that goes into finding the right pressing, and we've done all the heavy lifting for you. We've built Dead Wax. Dead Wax helps vinyl collectors find the right pressing, not just the album. Who are the mastering engineers that are notable? What is the first pressing from the country of origin? What is the audiophile pressing availability out there? All the different contexts and details that collectors care about connected directly to your collection in Discogs. No marketplace, no ads, no hype. Just pressing intelligence for people who care about the details and care about the pressing. Dead Wax, find the right pressing. Now, why don't you let me walk you through some of the features of our V1 launch of the app and the site. Now, you get to our site by just going to deadwax.io. It's going to open up a page where you can log into your Discogs account, or you can open up the App Store and install our iOS Swift app. When you connect into Discogs, you don't need to worry about us storing your credentials. We're using OAuth authentication, which is the standard Discogs authentication format, so that everything's secure. After your page loads up, you're going to get taken into the Discovery tab. This is going to show you some insights about your collection, daily PI picks, and also essential albums that are curated from external lists. You're also going to see employee picks. You're going to have employee picks from Chris, who's one of our pressing experts, from Caden, who is our social media manager, from myself, and also from Hope, who is our designer and graphics artist. You'll also see most collected. These are going to be interesting insights about your collection. You're going to see your top collected artists, top collected albums, top collected labels, and genres. You could drill into these for more information. For example, Nevermind, one of my favorite albums of all times. Now, this is where the magic starts to happen. Whenever you see that pressing intelligence badge, you're going to get additional insights. You're going to see a recommended pressing, and you're going to see pressing intelligent details as to why. You can expand that down and see notes, whether it's coming from Discogs or a Steve Hoffman forum that you could drill into easily and read the forum. You don't have to worry about it though, because we scrub the entire forum post and find you the best pressing from it. You can also drill directly into some YouTube videos if you want to watch some video content. For example, Mike from the Engroove doing a shootout video of this particular album. Absolutely mind-boggling what we can do now with this app and this pressing intelligence. You can also drill into the first pressing country of origin, which a lot of people like to collect and deem as the best sounding pressing, and also audiophile editions. Are there any original master recordings out there, or some audiophile adjacents like ORGs and Simply Vinyl? And then finally, mastering engineers. What wouldn't be complete without a Bernie Grunman or Ryan K. Smith pressing intelligence that you can go directly to the pressing? If you want to drill into Discogs, it's just a click of a button. View in Discogs allows you to go directly into the album, and you can purchase it and do additional research on it. We want to make it easy for you to navigate your collection. You can see all the information about your collection in your collection view. You can also jump over to the want list, and you can view your want list. This is where you can actually add and remove items. That's the only edit permissions we have in the whole app. As you drill into your collection, you'll see some filters up top: pressing intelligence, audiophile albums, and first pressings. This is going to allow you to filter everything in your collection very easily to see where you can drill in to get more insights. You can go into the settings section as well and change your theme color. We're adding more themes as we go. I really like the Gerpel purple theme. And you can also come in here and you can change the view layout. You can go to a grid view, a compact view, or a wide view if that suits your scrolling pleasure. We also love to get feedback from you. You can submit feedback all throughout the app. We triage the feedback daily, sometimes hourly, and we have automated AI agents that are going to go out and fix and address bugs as soon as you report them. Escalate using this if you do not like the resolution of any of the feedback you provided and how we addressed it. We're hobbyists, we're collectors, we're advocates, we're tech geeks, we're vinyl geeks, and we love to be of service. Everything here is free. If you want to support us, buy us a record. Some of these services are not free, built on AWS, and using all these different AI agents. We're completely transparent in how we build this app, and we think this is going to be a great addition to the vinyl collecting community, and we look forward to evolving this app as we go. One thing I will end on is that we are using AI to build this app end to end. It's a new and exciting world out there, and we used a combination of Claude Code and Codex and even Gemini to build this application over the course of about 30 to 45 days, including the website, which, by the way, is mobile friendly for all you Android users. At the end of the day, this hobby has always been about learning and discovery. Those late night Steve Hoffman forum threads, the record store conversations, the moment a better pressing finally clicks in and you hear it for the first time, the way it was supposed to sound. DeadWax was built by collectors who love that feeling. We are not trying to replace the community around vinyl collecting. We are trying to preserve it, organize it, and make it easier to carry with you. So if you care about pressings, matrix numbers, mastering engineers, country variants, or just finding the copy that makes you fall in love with a record all over again, welcome to DeadWax. Find the right pressing.